Is your brand invisible? Are you tired of playing catch-up with algorithms, posting content into the void, hoping someone notices? What if I told you the problem isn't your content, it's your system, or rather, the lack of one? Most brands are still stuck in the past, relying on creative bursts and manual effort. But a silent revolution is already here. AI isn't just a trend. It's the new infrastructure of communication. And if your brand isn't powered by an intelligent content engine, you're not just falling behind, you're already forgotten. Welcome to SOEARA. We don't just create content, we build self-learning systems that dominate search, scale trust, and turn your authority into revenue. You don't need more writers, you need a system that thinks. So, what is SOEARA? It stands for Strategically Optimized Editorial with AI Research and Automation. It's not another content service. It's a growth system. We've combined neural search intelligence, automated editorial workflows, and AI brand voice training into a single outcome. Your brand becomes the smartest voice in its market, automatically. Let's be honest, posting on social media isn't a strategy. Blogging once a week isn't building momentum. And hoping for the best isn't marketing. The game has changed. The companies that will win this decade won't be the ones with the biggest ad budgets. They'll be the ones with the most intelligent content ecosystems. SOEARA turns chaos into control, giving your brand the AI-powered infrastructure to scale like a media company without the overhead of hiring one. So how does this actually work? Let me walk you through the SOEARA system in action, the same model we've used to take clients from totally unknown to industry leaders in just a few months. It starts with intelligence gathering. Our AI systems crawl thousands of data points search patterns, social sentiment, competitor weaknesses, and what your audience truly wants to know. This becomes your narrative intelligence map. No more guessing, no more brainstorming sessions that go nowhere. Just data-driven control over your brand's story. You'll know exactly what topics are about to trend, what content gaps your competitors have missed, and how to position your brand as the definitive voice. Next, we build your authority structure. We design a layered content architecture that organizes your site into topical clusters and pillar hubs that search engines absolutely love. Every article, every page is strategically placed to form a living ecosystem where each piece of content strengthens the others. This isn't just content marketing, it's semantic engineering. It's what makes your brand impossible for algorithms to ignore. Then the magic begins. AI editorial production. This is where the machine starts writing, but with your unique voice. We train our proprietary models on your brand's tone, your specific vocabulary, and your messaging DNA. The SOEARA system then generates high-quality blogs, thought leadership articles, and web copy that sound exactly like you. Only at a scale and speed you could never achieve manually. But we don't stop there. Every single piece of content passes through our human refinement layer. Expert editors ensure every word aligns with your vision, your ethics, and your personality. The result: flawless on-brand storytelling at machine speed. But here's the real secret sauce: the continuous optimization loop. Once your content is live, the SOEARA system doesn't rest. It learns. It tracks engagement, conversions, and search behavior, then automatically updates and restructures content to maintain its ranking dominance. Your editorial system becomes self-optimizing. The longer it runs, the smarter it gets. And the smarter it gets, the faster you grow. Finally, we have predictive publishing. SOEARA doesn't just follow trends, it predicts them. Our AI forecasting engine identifies emerging topics weeks before they spike. We create and publish content ahead of the curve, so when the market finally catches on, you're already the established authority. Imagine owning every major keyword before your competitors even know it exists. That's the power of SOEARA. So, what do you gain when you partner with us? You're not just hiring an agency, you're activating an autonomous growth ecosystem. You get a predictive content engine that tells you what to write and when to publish it. You get authority that compounds over time, building your brand into an algorithmic powerhouse. You get consistency without burnout, and most importantly, you get time freedom. While your competitors are chasing deadlines, your brand's authority is growing on autopilot. Here's a hard truth: your competitors are already using AI. They're experimenting with tools like ChatGPT and Jasper. But tools don't create an advantage. Systems do. Any company can use AI, but very few can orchestrate it into an intelligent, data-driven publishing machine. SOEARA makes that leap for you. The brands that adopt this system now will define the next 5 years of their industries. The ones that delay will spend those 5 years trying to catch up. Why does SOEARA work when traditional agencies fail? Traditional agencies sell you deliverables, a set number of posts or articles. We sell compounding authority. They measure output. We measure narrative control. They rely on humans working harder. We build systems that work smarter, infinitely and autonomously. That's why our clients don't just grow, they outlast their markets. Don't just take my word for it. The head of marketing at a global SaaS platform said, SOEARA turned our content strategy from chaos to a 24/7 publishing engine. We went from 10 articles a month to 400, and our traffic tripled in 90 days. A founder of an e-commerce tech brand told us we stopped doing SEO entirely. SOEARA built a system that ranks us automatically. We Haven Tea dropped from the top 3 search results in 6 months. If your marketing still depends on random ideas and creative bursts, you're not competing, you're improvising. The future belongs to those who build systems that think SOEARA isn't just an option, it's inevitable. The only question is whether you'll adopt it before your competitors do. The old model of marketing is finished. Your brand deserves more than sporadic campaigns. You need a system. You need support. This is your moment to decide. Will you chase the future, or will you lead it? Book your SOEARA strategy call today. Let us show you your brand's personalized AI authority blueprint and activate the system that will define your next decade of growth. Because while everyone else is still just writing content, you'll have a brand that writes and wins by itself. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description to book your call. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on the future of marketing.